Hello, my AI enthusiasts. It's your boy Elvito back in the business. Today I'll show you how you can install N8N on your local machine. We've been building AI agents, but we've been using the console from N8N, whereas it's stored on their cloud. And with the account of N8N, you have 15 days free trial. And then after those 15 days, you'll have to pay for monthly subscription. Today I'll show you how you can install it locally and pay nothing and build AI agents unlimitedly. So let's dive in. The first thing that we need is Docker. You have to search for Docker. The Docker, for those who are not familiar, it's a platform, it's a software which helps you to build your softwares and package them in containers, whereas those containers you can actually run it everywhere. So we'll need to install Docker Desktop, and there is an alternative for those using Windows. This is the best option, but for those using Mac, I would recommend using Orbtack. It's the one I'm using. It's the fast and lightweight Docker desktop alternative, so you can go ahead and install it. I already have mine. My Orbtack is running. So after installing it, we need to actually run the container from N8N. How do we get the container from N8N? We are going to hub.docker.com, and then we are going to search. We are going to search for N8N, and then we will click on this first result, N8N.io/N8N, and then we'll copy it. And then if you have your Orbtack installed or your Docker desktop installed, you'll have to run on terminal docker run, paste the image name, and then wait. And then in few seconds, you'll have your local host where you can run your N8N. So after running it, you'll see that it's not showing. This is because actually Docker builds image on a VM, not directly VM, but you need to configure the port mapping. That's why we need to run docker run -p 5678 of Docker should be mapped to 5678 on our machine. Click enter. And then if we go back and reload, we'll have our Docker running, our N8N running in our local machine. So we can go ahead and fill in these fields. We can fill in with any values, and then we click next. We get started, and here we go. We can now build AI agents locally, freely, and unlimitedly. Hope this was useful. See you in the next one.